How to make link for photos in Google Drive. Initially, simply select the photo that you wish to create the link for. At the top right of each of these photos, you can see these three dots. In context, you do not find this. Simply click and hold on the photo. And at the top right, you will see that button once again. Click on it, and this is it. From here, you will get these options. As you guys can see, there are multiple options. Right now, you can directly copy the link from right here, but in context to do that, in context, someone wants to view the photo, they need your access. If you want to do this, simply click on it. Else, what you can do is click on share button right here. And once you do that, this page will open up. From here, simply at the bottom left, click on the Manage Access button. And once you do that, this thing will open up. From here, simply change from restricted to anyone with the link. Simply click on it, and that is it. Once it's okay, at the top right, you can see the copy link button. Click on it. Now you've got the link. Simply share it to anyone of your choice. And this is it, guys. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Until next time, thank you.